Hi guys, I'm Jay Prajapati. I'm 30 years old, and in 2018 I was diagnosed with ulcerosa colitis when I was working as a creative strategist in Berlin, Germany. And when I was diagnosed, I was immediately taken to hospital in an emergency ward where I was kept for examination for a week, and they could not understand what was the symptoms or what was the disease that I was facing, and hence they did multiple tests and performed, and they drew a conclusion that I was suffering from ulcerosa colitis, which was pretty bad and got out of shape within the 3 weeks that I was there in Germany. I stayed alone for 35 days in Germany, and it was pretty bad, and I couldn't overcome because I was on a lot of medication and steroids to subside the ulcerosa colitis impact that was causing on my large intestine. And during this time I was asked by the doctors to be undergoing a surgery where I would be removing that much part of the infected portion of the intestine, and I said, like, I want to go home back to India with my family, and I would want to undergo a surgery where my family is confident about the doctor and the process we choose. Hence I flew back under a very drastic and critical condition where I was losing a lot of weight. I lost a lot of weight when we first consulted with the gastroenterologist, who recommended us to undergo a surgery as well, and he recommended us to go and undergo a surgery with Dr. Hitesh Chawda. My parents were thoroughly confident after meeting Dr. Hitesh Chawda at the hospital, and the way he explained the severity of the case in a very composed and well articulated manner really gained confidence of my parents and my family, and they were very supportive of undergoing that first surgery. So I had to undergo two intensely critical surgeries within 4 months of time, and Dr. Hitesh Chawda explained this very well and gained confidence for me as well. He calm me down before going to the surgery as well. This is his nature of dealing with such severity of the cases, understanding patient mindsets and also understanding where the family is coming from. And he performed the first successful surgery even after me losing a lot of weight, and brought me back to life by giving a new way of living a lifestyle and regaining weight. So I was recovering for first 3 months after the first surgery with a colectomy bag, and during this time I had to go back and forth for a lot of consultations. So during my consultation visits to Dr. Hitesh Chawda, he was really helpful and guided me in the right direction in terms of food choices and lifestyle with colectomy bag, and how to overcome daily life challenges. So he is a real expert, and with his expertise and experience of so many years, he gave me such a confidence boost that I was ready to fight and undergo the second surgery with even more confidence than what I was in the first surgery. And this is how he is as a person as well. Beyond being him as a doctor, he is also a very good natured human being. And after 3 months, when I was doing better with my weight and better with my health, he recommended to undergo the second surgery where the removal of colectomy bag would take place to have a normal digestive cycle as I was having before. And it was again a very successful surgery, and I'm really blessed and I'm really thankful to him and his team to bring me back to life. Again, I'm saying this, but this is true. He has brought me back to life, and I am living a very good and a very healthy lifestyle today. I'm working as a senior design researcher in Mumbai all by myself. My family is still based in Ahmedabad, and I'm working with one of the top leading pharma companies where the work stress is so much, and also it requires a lot of energy to do daily work plus work from home situation. But I am living a very normal lifestyle like anybody else, or me myself, how I was living before the surgery. Post surgery, I don't feel much of a difference. It's all back to normal. Yes, there are certain limitation of food choices which he has guided me in the right direction to take those steps and take my regular medication. But to be honest, like at my age today, I am 30, and at my age I am living a very normal lifestyle. I don't feel like I underwent a surgery, or I don't feel any body tiredness or anything. I'm very grateful, and I always will be very grateful to Dr. Hitesh Chavda and his team for giving me this new life. Thank you so much.